In Linchuan, the hometown of talented people with profound cultural heritage, a great number of outstanding sanitary ware manufacturers have emerged. Annual exports up to $14 million. What an impressive achievement! Today, we are visiting one of the leading companies in Linchuan sanitary ware industry, Fuzhou Sanitary Co. Limited. Coincidentally, two purchasing agents from Australia are here for a visit. Now let's go with them to see which products can attract their attention.
We're really fond of YSW's products. Their designs are unique, the quality is superb, and what stands out most is the variety of colours they offer.
Since 2010, Linchuan sanitary ware industry has focused on expanding into international markets. A series of sanitary ware products have got approval from serious international certification authorities, including CE in the European Union, CUPC in the United States, and Watermark in Australia. The company has developed over 300 cereals and more than 2,000 products, with over 350 of them having obtained the national and international invention patent for their utility model and unique design. This fully demonstrates the strong innovative capabilities of Linchuan sanitary ware industry. Thanks to a competitive rising strategy and exceptional product quality, these products quickly gained a foothold in over 50 countries and regions, including Australia, Germany, and France, earning widespread recognition.
去年呢，公司的出口额已突破3000万美元，较上一年增长了25%。今年呢，还计划呢，通过沙特分公司的积极扩展中东市场，进一步扩大国际影响力。
Looking ahead, the Linchuan sanitary ware industry will undoubtedly continue to thrive, driven by its deep cultural heritage, ongoing innovation, and an ever-expanding global vision. They are sure to make greater impacts on the international sanitary ware markets.